Alam mo, iba ang buhay misyonaryo. Hindi ito glamorous. Hindi ito tungkol sa stage, spotlight, or titles. Madalas nga, dadalhin ka ni Lord sa mga lugar na hindi mo kabisado. Walang signal, walang plan A. At minsan, kahit plan B, wala rin. You don't always know kung anong mangyayari. You don't always know kung sino ang mga taong makakasalamuha mo. Pero ito rin ang sigurado. Alam ni Lord kung bakit ka naroon. Kasi kapag nasa mission ka, the goal is not comfort. The goal is not recognition. The goal is people. Yung mga taong kailangan ng pag-asa, ng kausap, ng panalangin, ng kaibigan. At minsan, ng simpleng yakap lang. You become a vessel, a channel, a courier of blessing. Iba-iba ang storya ng mga taong madadatnan mo. But in every life you touch, you'll see the fingerprints of God. Pero ito ang real talk. Habang binubuhos mo ang sarili mo para sa iba, habang nagbibigay ka ng oras, lakas, at puso mo sa misyon, huwag mong kakalimutan, misyon ka din ni Lord. Yes, you are also His mission. You're not just being used to fix others. He's also fixing you. You're not just there to be a blessing. You're there to be broken, rebuilt, refined, and restored by the very hands of the God who sent you. Minsan ang misyon, hindi lang para sa lugar, hindi lang para sa tao. Minsan, para talaga sa puso mo. So if you're in the middle of a mission right now, or you're being called to start one, don't hesitate, don't run away. Because every step of obedience is a step toward transformation for others and for you. And remember this, you are never alone on the mission field. You walk with the one who sent you. You walk with the King who calls you His own. Buhay misyonaryo? Yes, B. Mahirap. Yes, minsan mag-isa. Minsan madaming kasama. Pero laging sulit. Laging may purpose. At laging kasama ang Diyos.